After this update, the Binance CEO pushed the price of Shiba Inu coin surging. The Shiba Swap ecosystem's governance token is called BONE. It gives holders the ability to cast votes on proposals, with the weight of their votes based on the quantity of shares they own. The price has increased by twofold in the last 2 weeks. It's possible that the rising trend resulted from expectations about the upcoming Shibarium update. We will discuss the Binance CEO's statement that the Shiba Inu coin price has skyrocketed after this update in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. We should only invest in currencies with the most promising value since the cryptocurrency market is quite volatile and we anticipate big changes in the months to come. One of the currencies that gained popularity and quickly increased in value was the Shiba Inu. In a few weeks, the price has fallen to less than 70% of its peak value. Shiba Inu has grown considerably since the previous year, and in the first 2 years of ownership, its price climbed dramatically. But the May cryptocurrency meltdown also had an impact on the value of this coin. A few investors anticipate more currency growth in the next months, which they see as a chance to boost the coin's worth. Ethereum whales who have advanced this much farther are behind them. History shows that Ethereum whales have historically been positive on Shiba Inu, and they are still optimistic now. Investors continue to support these currencies, preventing the demise of coins with a dark motive. By quickly acquiring billions of Shiba Inus, they have solidified their stance in support of the breed. Each time a large price shift occurs, Shiba Inu price action provides it. Up to the end of August, it was mostly idle. But the first week of September saw a noticeable uptick in pricing action. As the bears lessen their attacks, new data show an increase in whale activity. Shib began the week on a negative note, which resulted in a little decline by midweek. After retreating below the $0.01 level, it tested support close to the August lows. Since then, the price of Shiba Inu has somewhat recovered, indicating that the support line is still in place. A deeper examination of its on-chain indicators indicates that the little increase may be the beginning of another possibly significant price rise. The last 7 days saw robust whale activity, according to Shib's whale transaction data. But the events of the last 2 days are particularly noteworthy. At least one transaction totaling more than $1 million was made. In the last 2 days, there has been a greater concentration of whale transactions valued at more over $1 million than at any other point in the previous 7 days. This suggests that whales have been purchasing the midweek price decrease in Shiba Inus. A closer look indicates that quite a bit of Shib had gathered over the course of the previous 2 days. On December 7, after 90 days of dormancy, Shib saw a significant jump in circulation, with an estimated 1.11 trillion Shib being transferred. In the previous day, it reached a high of 128.7 billion Shib as well. This result was in line with the whale activity that was seen at the same time, as well as the little price increase. A 7.61 trillion Shib surge in the age-consumed measure showed that such a substantial quantity was exchanged. Mid-August saw a significant surge in the price of the meme cryptocurrency, which was followed by another significant spike. These measurements readings from Shiba Inu validate high whale activity. Shib holders could anticipate a surge of robust demand in the coming days, which might lead to another significant price increase if the same parameters continue to hold true. This may see a general change in mood, which would improve the possible result even more. According to a recent release, Leash is now accessible on the cryptocurrency exchange Bluebit.io in Dubai and Street. Vincent, the whole Shiba Inu trifecta, Shib, Leash, and Bon, is listed on Bluebit.io. Bluebit said, Leash is an ERC20 token created for the Shiba Inu ecosystem to wrap off the Twitter discussion. Within the ecosystem, you may pay for products and services using the token in order to get discounts and benefits. Given that Bluebit.io has always backed the Shiba Inu community, it is not surprising that the token has been introduced. Bluebit.io was among the first exchanges to offer Shib, the main cryptocurrency of the Shiba Inu project. Leash's listing on Bluebit.io will surely please the Shiba Inu community, as it will provide them with another option for purchasing and trading the coin. The coin will likely be listed on additional exchanges shortly, since Shiba Inu-related businesses have been increasingly well-known lately. Leash was originally intended to be a rebased token. However, it has now changed to have a fixed supply. The project's founders, whose identities are yet unknown, say they have experience in financial research, software development, and marketing. Wall Street and the rest of the conventional banking sector will be completely perplexed by Shiba Inu's adventure. With a growing community that aspires to take it to the moon, its market capitalization now exceeds several of the Fortune 500. We have learned that the Layer 2 scaling solution for Shiba Inus, called SHIBARIUM, is almost ready for distribution. Everything you need to know about the progress of meme coins is revealed by the technology hidden underneath the hoopla. We must comprehend what a Layer 2 scaling solution is in order to comprehend what SHIBARIUM is. The blockchain problem proposed by Vitalik Buterin holds that security, decentralization, and scalability cannot coexist. In order to accomplish the other two, one must be given up. Consider Ethereum as an example. It lacks scalability but is safe and decentralized. Because of this, the network becomes costly to transact on and slows down whenever traffic increases. Since Shiba Inu lacks its own blockchain, it operates on the Ethereum network. It thus experiences the same problems. Scalability is made possible by a Layer 2 solution, which does not interfere with the trilemma's other two characteristics. Imagine it as a flyover across a busy road, not to mention that it uses less gas and takes less time for transactions, but most significantly, it increases throughput. SHIBARIUM seeks to fill the void in the Ethereum network by acting as that bridge. Although Shiba Inu's creators have not disclosed any information on the technology behind SHIBARIUM, we are certain that it will work to achieve the following goals. The gas surcharges on transactions regularly exceeded $800 when Shiba Inu first started its NFT collection. In this instance, obtaining the NFT would still cost around $800 even if it was free. There was a significant glitch that required fixing. The cost of petrol will be reduced to pennies or perhaps zeros thanks to SHIBARIUM. Because blockchains have a finite amount of transactions they can execute in a second, their gas prices are significant. SHIBARIUM will reduce the petrol prices and raise that amount many times over. At the moment, Ethereum can only handle 13 TPS transactions per second. With a theoretical capacity of 7,200 TPS, Polygon's Ethereum Layer 2 solution currently has the greatest throughput available. It can handle 1,000 TPS. Future initiatives within the Shiba Inu network will be announced on SHIBARIUM. Their P2P gaming systems and metaverse are examples of these efforts. The community has already shown a great deal of interest in it, and after SHIBARIUM's introduction, announcements will be made shortly. The Shiba Inu team has not provided any firm information on the release date and has refuted reports indicating a third-quarter release window. The sole evidence is that principal developer Shidoshi Kazama tweeted that SHIBARIUM will be introduced shortly, and that a testnet was scheduled to go online in August. Additionally, a few executive decisions about the SHIBARIUM platform have been put to a vote by the decentralized autonomous organization that oversees Shiba Inu. Firstly, Street, a brand new token, will be used to pay platform gas costs instead of Shiba Inu. The idea is to provide a democratic platform launch as an alternative to having a large number of whales in the water already. Second, SHIBARIUM will not be moving to its own blockchain anytime soon. It will still operate on the Ethereum network. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.